on the back side. So I see the carpet has to be changed, which is like 5 by 5 kind of area. So and as you enter the kitchen, okay, neat. You can just come and rent. I don't think you need to do anything. Gas stove, nice. There's a radiator heat. It's a carpet, closet with a lot of doors. Wow. So this is the bedroom. Okay, so there's the oil tank here. That's a big negative. And then this furnace also needs to be changed. It's pretty old. Definitely needs some grand expense. There is a pump. Okay, water pump looks like working. The washer rack needs to be changed. So we're talking about like $2,000 for this. The door needs to be changed, so definitely this, and then furnace, so 10,000. The ducts are already done. So this is another closet. The bathroom is old, so bathroom can be like this, but it might need update. This is one bedroom, very small, very small closet. Again, ready to heat. So all crown modeling, so all the sheetrock has to go. But this is old, but you can. So we are talking about like 5 grand here. Polishing the floors, removal of this. I technically think there might be a roof leaks, a little update. I don't see any damage though, but blowing condensation in that part I just felt it. White chair, that's the positive. Readings are good, wooden, absolutely okay.